Hiring a contractor for your paver installation has many benefits. For one, contractors are experienced in installing pavers and will be able to do so much faster than the average person. They also have access to the proper tools and equipment needed for the job, which can save you time and money. In addition, they can often get discounts on materials, which can save you even more money. Finally, if something goes wrong with your paver installation, they will be liable, not you. So hiring a professional is really a no-brainer when it comes to the paver installation. When it comes to your home, it's important to make sure that any installation is done correctly the first time so that you don't have any issues down the road. This is especially important when using a paver, as a poor installation can lead to cracking or other problems. While you could try to install them yourself, it's generally best to hire a contractor who has experience with this type of work. Here are a few reasons why. A professional will have the right tools and equipment for the job. This not only includes things like paver saws and tamper bars but also specialized vehicles like dump trucks and bobcats. Having the right tools ensures that the project will be installed correctly and efficiently. They will know how to properly prepare the ground for your project. The ground will be the base of your paver. To ensure that you don't encounter any problems, let an expert do the job for you.